In today's unboxing series, we're looking at the 1080p Enforcer security system. Included is a 4 or 8 channel digital video recorder and 4 or 8 cameras with red and blue flashing lights. There are several small boxes within that contain the various components that need to be connected. Let's have a look at what's inside. Inside the first box, you get the following: a 4 or 8 channel digital video recorder, better known as a DVR, with a pre-installed hard drive. There are 2 USB ports located at the front. Located at the back of the DVR are the various inputs and outputs available. A 12 volt power adapter. This provides power to the DVR. A USB mouse. This connects to an available USB port. A HDMI cable. This connects the DVR to your TV. The Ethernet cable. Connect this to your router or Wi-Fi access point to provide internet access to the DVR. And a welcome pack that contains the hardware, Wizard and Swann security app quick start guides, as well as theft deterrent stickers. In the other boxes you get the following: 4 or 8 1080p resolution bullet style cameras. Some kits may also include dome style cameras. Check the packing contents for further information. 4 or 8 video and power cables. The video cable has a BNC connector that you twist and lock to the DVR to provide a secure connection. A 12 volt power adapter. You may receive multiple power adapters depending on the number of cameras included. A 4-way power splitter cable. By connecting this to the power adapter, it will provide power to 4 cameras. Depending on the kit purchased, you may receive a 2-way power splitter cable instead. And finally, 4 lots of mounting screws and plugs. For connection instructions, please have a look at the blue coloured hardware installation guide. Each step will guide you to connect each camera and the various included components. The second guide to follow is the red coloured Startup Wizard Quick Start Guide. This will guide you on the various steps that need to be completed in the Startup Wizard. And thirdly, to view the cameras on your mobile device, follow the instructions in the green colour guide to download the Swann security app. There are instructions for Android and iOS. Thanks for watching.